I will show you how to add effects on Instagram Notes. Open your Instagram, and now you can type anything you want in here. But here's the fun part. Instagram has a hidden little effect that appears when you use certain celebration birthday cake, party popper, and other. All you have to do is type in one of these emojis. And when you post your note, it'll have this cool celebratory animation. Look at that, you've got balloons, confetti, and all sorts of festive vibes going on. And that's it. It's super easy and a fun way to spice up your Instagram notes. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button.